Security to receiving. The Charolais shipment has arrived at the main gate. Proceed with authorization.
Easy now, keep them moving smoothly down the ramp.
Confirmed, all livestock moving to processing. Records updated. Pressure check complete. System active. Nozzles clear. Drainage ready for cycle 1. Pressure on nozzle 4 is low. Increasing flow to 75 psi.
Easy now, keep moving forward.
Pressure looks good on the rear brushes.
Fodder quality looks excellent on this batch.
Confirmed. System reports optimal distribution.
The trough levels on lane 3 are low. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Sector 2 is clear, moving to Sector 3 now. Copy that. Fodder levels look good here.
Check the conveyor speed on the main screen. We need to optimize flow.
Levels are stable here. I just cleared the excess.
Teams, confirm fodder levels on line 4. Adjust the dispensers for even flow. Keep up the excellent work.
Guide her into lane 4, gently now.
Confirmed, Doctor. All systems are ready for the intake scan.
Vitals look strong. Clear breathing.
Confirmed. Moving to the next station.
We're done here. Let's move her along.
Right away. Gate opening.
Vitals confirmed on the main screen.
Data recorded. We are clear to move her to the next station.
All panels cleared on lane 3.
Confirmed. Direct them to the holding area. Thickness is consistent, 2.2 millimeters.
Meets the standard.
Recorded. Ready for washing.
Check the consistency on this section here. We need it flawless for the client.
Are the sleeve measurements exact? Yeah.
Yes, they match the physical sample perfectly.
The dimensions are precise. We can move these to the finishing department.
Is the stitching consistent on the sample?
Yes, the tension is holding perfectly. We are good to go.
The alignment looks perfect. We can move this to cuff construction.
The dimensions look exact on both sleeves. The seam is perfectly even.
The alignment looks good. Both sides are perfectly equal.
Ensure the internal stress points are reinforced exactly as specified in the guidelines. This one looks good.
There is a slight skip right here on the side seam. Yes, I see it. Ensure that is corrected before final pressing.
Stitching is perfect, zipper runs smooth.
Good. All parameters checked. Final approval recorded.
The drape on the shoulder seems correct, ma'am.
Yes, the structure looks solid. We can approve this one.
The finish looks excellent. Approved.
Thank you. I'll rack it now.
All right, team. The jackets look excellent. They are clean, correctly shaped, and ready for presentation.
The required batch has been completed. We can start preparing for shipment.
All specifications match the order, Supervisor. Verified. Send it to packaging.
Scanning complete. Inventory updated.
Final count matches the manifest. Approved for shipment.
Confirmed. The jackets have passed all stages: washing, cutting, stitching, assembly, and final packaging inspection.
The dimensions match the sample exactly.
Just a small thread here. All set now.
Excellent. Final approval granted.
Make sure the stitching on this lapel is perfectly aligned. Overall, the presentation looks excellent.
This section here is perfect for the small components. Make a note of the thickness.
Got it. Recording as approved.
Moisture levels are good on this batch.
All right, moving them to the cutting department.
The dimensions are correct. Move this batch to the shaping station.
These look consistent. The edges are perfectly balanced.
Approved. Move them to the drilling stage.
Dimensions are within range on this batch.
Excellent work. These are approved for polishing.
This batch looks consistent. The dimensions are exact.
Final check on the thickness here. Looks strong.
All right, these are approved for assembly.
Excellent work. This one is approved. Length is exactly as specified.
All links are secure and flexible.
Final approval confirmed. Moving to packaging.
The finish looks perfect. Go ahead and log this batch.